Alright, we're back in action. It's rain world time. I kinda remember what to do. I'm scared to start, but we have to start anyway. Ooh! I know I have my mask and a rock. And it's like, yeah. And then like what if I okay. I'm remembering. I'm remembering. I'm so good at this game. God, I'm really scared. I'm really scared to start. Now let's see. Let's check the map. How do we check the map again? Oh no. Oh! Ooh! Bitch. Like, can I have a moment of respite? I just started the fucking game. Oh, I'm glad I was able to check the map when I could. God, they just like swoop in from nowhere. It's so scary. Let's see. Oh, no. 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 Lord. Okay, let's go here. No! No. No. Okay, take him. Take him. He's the sacrifice. Oh, well, no. I don't know what to do. What can I do? Oh, he was on the stripper pole. You saw that shit? It was crazy. Okay, I have to make my way up there like as fast as possible. Or hold up. Where's like food? Where do we think could be food is the question. Gosh, I don't remember any of the food spots. Well, you know what? The game says like if you want to just fuck around and die a bunch, it doesn't really matter in the beginning. Just do whatever the hell you want. So I guess we'll do whatever the hell we want. Meow. Oh, okay. Wait. What if here's a rock. Take that rock. Cause I heard that they what's the word? You can trade them things. I don't want to trade you my hat, okay? Cause it was really special. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. I need to pass through. Thank you. I'll give you something later. Oh wait, there's like something over there. Do you see that? Ooh, sandbox item unlocked. Yeah, I don't remember what that shit was. I didn't check it out still. Oh, oh, no. I'm glad it left. Oh, there's food. I have a rock, right? Where did my rock go? Well, I guess I did give it to them, huh? Fuck, but food would be so good right about now. Oh, they're fucking with me. They're fucking with me. Okay, let's make a run for it. No, I can't. Let's just take this. Yeah, because they're fighting. We not gonna deal with that. We can get other food. Like this one! Never mind. Hey, wait. Okay. Give me that. Food. Oh, I only have two food in my belly. I forgot that I have such little food. That's actually... We need to find that popcorn. I know it was like in that other room, but... But... That was a bunch of shit there. Oh, oh, maybe things are gonna be okay. Let's put our little stick staff right there, and then maybe we can go like this, and then go like this, and then let's eat it. Delicious, spectacular. Give me 50 more of them. Okay, another one. Okay. Okay. Ugh! Ow! Um, okay, okay. Okay, okay. So let's get our stick. Yo, low key, I think we're just gonna go to sleep. Because I really want to go to that spot from before. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. There's another spot. Hold up. Hold the fucking phone. Ow, ow. Ow, ow. Yeah, I'm a natural at this game. Alright. Let's see. But I could go here. Wait, where does this lead? Fuck that other area. We're gonna figure out how we can go through here, cuz I'm scared though. This area is scary. With the water. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What if it just killed me? I wouldn't like that. I'd be pissed, I'm not gonna lie. Ew, ew. This is so cool. But this means if we die, we can't go back, I assume. This is scary. Or maybe... Is there respite anywhere? This is... Okay, okay, no, no, no. No, 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 no. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's be smart. We were already there. How much time do we have left? Okay, we do have some time to go back to... Help! I wanna go back. Can I not go back? Hello? Can I not go back? Bitch. Well, that just ruined the, like, the aura of the next area. You got any respite spots? Fine. Oh! Thank the heavens. Can I eat these? Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. What if I, like... Because we have some time to, like, fuck around and see what's up. I actually don't want to. Or maybe I do. No, no, let's be smart. Let's be smart. Let's just sleep this shit off. If it's food, if it's meant to be, it will be. At least that's what I tell myself. Oh, oh, my slug family. I'm all alone. This is rotted. This is dark-sided. But we're making it up. And that means if we want to, we can go to the other area. But that's if we even survive. So, who knows? Who knows? Alright, and this is like... Right. So the mask automatically goes to my offhand? Good to know, good to know. Alright, and then I want to see. And we like... Eh. Oh, we can eat them! They are food! This is the greatest information I've ever known. Wow, maybe we are going to be okay. Oh, maybe I could give them like food or something. But I don't really have food. Okay, well, what if I give them the stick? Here, have the stick. That's for y'all. Yeah, you want it? Hooray! Whoa! Look, I'm not a bad guy. See, I'm just a slug. I'm just a little slug. Yeah. I don't... Why is he all spiky? That's scary. I don't know. That's scary. And what is here? Oh, well, actually, I just realized I needed that stick back. Could I take that stick back? Is that okay? Um, no? Okay, that's fine, I guess. Eh. I need this. I just need something to, like, destroy it, if you will. You mind if I come in there? Thank you. Oh, food. Let's be quick with it. And there's also no. Oh, okay. Well, let's see. Yeah, we can go back, and then let's go here. Let's go here. Let's go here. Go here, and then let's like, eh, eh. No, that didn't work. We have to get the stick. I don't know what the scavenger thingies are. That one's just straight up red. Oh, they also took the stick. Well, shit. I don't really have anything to attack with like that, except this rock. Do I really want to risk it? Man, I don't know. It's not gonna work, I don't think. I need to, like, spear it. And me, being Miss Congeniality, I gave my stick away. Oh! Hello. Fancy meeting you here. Seems they have a family reunion going on there. Well, what can we do? We can go... No, that's not... I want to go... No, I want to go here. Oh, yeah! Wow. That's a lot of stuff. Okay. Well, we have a stick. We have a stick. How much food do we have? We could just get one more. Holy shit, I just dropped to that guy. Why did I do that? No. No, we can't. We can't. And also... Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. I just want that food. Give me that food! Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Eat that shit. Eat that shit. Grab that shit. Go. Go. Like your life depends on it, my little grug. My little grug son. Because who knows what the hell will be out here. Like, my little heart is pounding right now. My little heart is blowing up. Sleep that shit off. Good night. Hello, good night. We did it, guys. We made it up to the top. Woo. But now I'm kind of curious because I still really want to go to Survivor. Wow. Tap jump during a slide or a roll to chain it to a long... Wait. Tap jump during a slide or roll. Chain it into a long jump. Use this to maximize your mobility and cover a lot of distance quickly. A slide or roll. Tap jump. Okay. I'll see if I can remember that. Oh, man. Alright, so... We are the survivor. We are the survivor. Let's see if we can go to that big area with the... Oh, there's 2 sticks! 1 stick, 2 stick, red stick, blue stick. Blue stick indeed. Well, let's figure out, can we... What else do I have in my belly? This squid thing? No shade, I'd rather take this. Can we... Ew, it moves. There's like a whole bunch of spears. Oh, I guess I can't. Okay, well, give me that then. Because what else am I gonna do with it? Give me that. And let's go. Alright, let's go here. Chimney Canopy. That's what the place was called. I didn't even really register it properly the last time because I was so nervous. Maybe this is the wrong decision, but it's a decision I'm gonna have to stick by. Shoot, I don't even remember where was the area? Is it here? Damn, we have a long way to... Damn! We have a long way to go. Where's the you are here? I think I'm like right here. Yes, I am. Goodbye! Alright. You know what the fuck I didn't do? I didn't get the food. All that and I didn't get the food. Oh my goodness gracious. And... Okay. Oh shit. Two of them! Oh, wait, I forgot. I have this. No. Well. Okay. Shit. Fuck! Okay, well, maybe we can, finally eat what I was trying to eat. I was too tunnel visioned. Okay, food. So we could play it safe. Damn. Maybe what we should do is fill up. Fill up. Reach the top, like... La, 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 la. Okay, because here's my thinking. I'm all full now. If I go to sleep, I'll still have some kind of like reserves rather than just being fully empty. Or actually, you know what? I really should risk it because if I die on my way over there, I'll come back to this and I'll have a full belly either way, right? Right, hear me out? I'm big braining this. And then we'll be closer to our destination and we'll move up if we survive. And if we don't survive, guess I'll die. Let's go. Let's lock in. Oh, and there's food. Wow. What bountiful harvest. Alright. There's nothing, it looks like. Whoa. Maybe what we can do is, because there is respite right there, we can just sleep right there. No. Let's not do that. Eyes on the prize, as they say. Now, how the hell did we get there is the question. Alright. Hurry. With haste. Bitch. With haste. Lord. Juked him. What an idiot. Okay. Time to move. Time to move, because this area is equally as scary. Okay. I've played these games before. You know, I actually haven't watched what I guess it's season 2 of God, I'm so scared right now. I haven't watched season 2 of Squid Games, but I haven't had Netflix in so long, so I guess that makes sense. Like I haven't watched Stranger Things because I don't have Netflix. Let's because you know that gap was scary. Evil scary. Okay. 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 I don't think there should be anything like evil and twisted here, right? Or at least I hope not. All right. Okay. I can do anything I set my mind to. Yeah. And we're full. So we have some reserves for later. Anyway, a survivor. So if I reach another day as a survivor, do I earn something? Pay attention to your breathing before jumping underwater. If you are breathing heavy, stand still and give yourself a second to catch your breath first. Wait, really? That's so interesting. I did not know. So there is a drowning mechanic, if that's the case, right? Anyway. All right. We're moving on up. We're moving on up. We're moving on up. Man, I really thought it was going to be trials and tribulations, but it's been going, for the most part, smoothly. You know what? Let's go to. I don't want to risk it going outside there because watch me fall down that damn hole, and then I'm going to be feeling a little silly. Because I was really, really curious about this area. But then, the one thing I'm like worried about is, can this only happen like once a day? Because if so, I can't go back. Which I guess it's fine, but I just want to see, what the day has to offer. I also low-key don't like that there's a rest spot right there, I'm just realizing. Because I feel like that means something bad is going to happen. Something bad indeed. There's also like a stick thing. Can we go up here? No. Man, that stuff is so cool. Anyway. You got anything for me? Any information? Ah! Slide down the stripper pole, thank you. Why is it so like dark and gloomy and scary? I don't know. I don't know. That's scary. I don't hear any like scary, depressing, dark, evil music or anything. Shaded Citadel. Y'all hear that shit? Oh wait, we go up here? Where the hell can I go? Oh. This area is quite terrifying. I don't think these are food, right? Like, because that would be too kind and generous. This music is fire. Open expanse does not comfort me. What is... This is so interesting. I'm digging it. Is this food or enemies? What's this? Let's put on our mask. Can I have the mask on? Is that food? Like, y'all not really telling me what. Oh, they look kind of scared. Maybe it is food, but I kind of don't. I feel bad if I like pin them. They look kind of cute. I mean, the others. No, I know what we must do. Whoa, whoa. No, he's coming, he's coming. We can't. Something tells me I need one of those little babies. Because then I'm gonna fall down some hole. What the fuck? It's just getting darker and darker and scarier and scarier. But what happened to the food here? Like, is this like... Okay, hold up. What is this? Can I eat this? I can! Oh. Glory days. And there's a little more up there we can try and... Alright. So we can try, but do we want to? No, we don't. He's coming over. Well, I really don't want to have to kill those things, but I fear I might have to. They're so cute. Okay, let's go down here real quick. Is there like... Shaded Citadel is quite shady. Now let's see if we remember where the heck... Maybe can we like... Oh shit. It's gonna start to rain soon, so... Let's go to bed first. Actually, no, that's the wrong way. Excuse me. Because we do need to be swift about this. I am quite far. I'm kind of realizing. And low-key, I don't want to check the time because I don't want to start panicking. But we have to run. Okay. Keep going. Just keep going. You have one task and you can do it. And I know you can, my grug son. So we have to go here. Is it here? Or no, it's here. I remember it was here. Okay, and then go here. Yes. Okay, and then go here. Yes. Okay, and then yes. Keep going, my grug son. Keep going. You can do it. My grug son. Oh shit, I don't remember where the fuck. Where was the area? Oh, it was up there. 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 I forgot it was that high. Okay, can we do it? Can we do it? We explored really far. Come on! The rain can't hurt that much, right? Right. Okay, okay, okay. Come on. Come on, my son. Come on, my son. Okay. Woo! Oh! 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 That was that was daring of me. Lord have mercy. Do I reach the survivor? Passage. Fast travel to any discovered shelter, recovering all karma. So this is an ability. This is like a reward for the effort that we've put in. We'll continue to the next cycle yeah. Because yeah. I don't know. Do I want to keep checking out the shaded citadel? Man, that shaded citadel, it got me up. That was scary, but we did check it out, and there was like no rest spots. That's like, so that's why they gave me a rest spot there. I'm trying to think. I guess we can just go. We can just go. What do we got to lose? I guess. And I think we might have to kill one of those glowy creatures. I'm sorry, but it has to be done. And we're gonna have to be quick with it too. In fact, I might throw up my little squid thing that I have and profit. At least I would hope so. Oh, no, I guess we have to do like a. Let's do like a. Oh, well, let's do that a little closer. That's too close. Yeah, that's not what I wanted to do. Yeah. All right. This area, there's a lot of like stuff to throw at things. Hmm. And there's really like not that many areas that we can go to, is there not? That just goes to like here. Yeah, which I guess is like maybe a good hiding spot. Oh, it's the glowy baby. Um. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Oh, but I can't. No. Man. Okay, so this is going to be rough. You know what? Fuck it. I don't think I'm ready for this area yet. We checked it out. I'm happy about that, but I'm too attached to my mask and it doesn't look like I can swallow it to like bring it with me for later. I tried to kill the thing, but it didn't work. So it's really cute though. Yeah, no worries. No worries, little man. You just keep doing your thing. But one day I'll come back for you. And you're going down. Actually, what is this thing over here? Cause I like didn't really check it out. It's just like a little thing, like just to be there. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. Alright, yes, I would like to go back, please and thank you. Or maybe... Well, it's too late now. Because I was thinking maybe I should stay in there because it's such a high up area that, like, how would I come back if I kept dying a lot? But I do have the survivor thing where I could go to any checkpoint, so I think we can make use of that. So low key, with that still in mind, but we'd have to see if it's still there after I sleep. Because I don't know. Maybe if it was like maybe if it was like a one time use thing. No, that's not what I want to say. If it was a one time use thing and I had to use it that instance, then eh, if it was a one time use thing, then I already gave it up, which oh well, I suppose, but you know. I really want to go up there too. Like, there's so many interesting areas. Like, and I can't go up there, but I can get these foods. I can do that. Eat that, and then let's eat this, and then let's eat that. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you!
But where do we want to go? Because low key, Shaded Citadel, that might be my gender. And this is a big area. Like, ole mole. We gotta see if we can kill stuff too eventually, because it has to happen. It has to happen. Um, like go here. Okay. Okay, low key. Maybe we can, because I'm actually really curious. I want to see if we survive the day, go back. Because then if that's the case, I think we could really fuck around after that point and use that for like a rainy day insurance, if you will. And it looks like you can go up top, like on that ceiling thing, but I don't really know how you would. Like, maybe it's just powers or some shit that I don't have yet. I don't know. That's scary. Me with my little mask. It's just me and my mask. Me and my mask in the world. I know we're not full, but you know, we gotta live. The day we kind of wasted it a little going to like the Shaded Citadel, but you know, whatever. What? What's that? It's like a alien creature, humanoid, non-binary person. Shout out to the non-binaries. Pride Month never ends. Whoa! Okay, and the passage is still there. The Nomad. Wait a minute. Well, now I don't want to keep dying and all that. I want to keep getting the Nomad stuff. Quickly swapping direction of motion will give you a slight speed boost for a short time in the new direction. Keep hopping afterwards to maintain the speed boost for longer. Oh, okay. I think I've done that sometimes and I just didn't realize. But where to go? Where to go? And I know like the food was in the Shaded Citadel, but it was like so far and few between. I know there was like
Robert.
the blue things, but like, can we fight this? I have to risk it, I'm afraid. Oh, is he scared of me because of my mask? Yeah, he won't come. He won't come over. No, this was my stick. Hmm. Alright, well, I can't mess with him too long because he's wasting my time. Reclaiming my lime. Reclaiming my lime. Man, I really like the music in this game. It's so cool. Crazy sick. Now, I definitely don't remember the food spots. I know when we were passing by here, there was a lot of food spots, but I kind of don't really remember them. And I'm also worried that they just won't be there if we go there. Well, oh, what the fuck? Two? Oh shit, is that the one that I took the mask from? It is. Oh my goodness gracious. I didn't know that he would still be there. That's kind of crazy, lore-wise. Me and this one bird guy. Yeah, we fucking hate each other. He's my sworn enemy. Well, oh, and this guy's just having a grand old time. I I genuinely don't know where to go. No, are you serious? It is up there. What the hell? This game rotted as fuck. Okay, now he's finally moving. Jeez. But I really don't know where to go. Huh. And there's not much like fighting area, like what is it? Fighting items. I don't know. That's scary. The music doesn't lessen. Whoa! How did I get up here last time? It was like, eh. Alright. Alright. Oh, wait. Whoa! Mind your fucking business. Excuse you. Jeez. If I come out here, will he? Hmm. What time is it? Hey, we still got some time. Okay. Maybe we can leave that popcorn. Ow! No. Sorry for the loud noise. My mic probably peaked there, I'm not gonna lie. Maybe there's food here. Alright. Like, I just want food. Okay. Okay. Let's not jump all the way down because... Oh no, wait, I think it's okay. Blue guy isn't there. Alright, that. Because we just need something in our belly. Like, at this point. Ow! My mask! Mustn't forget my very important special to me mask. Low key, I want to see if I can get the Nomad power up, ability, one time use thing. I don't know. It could be pop. Ugh! Ow. Ugh. Okay, okay. He's freaking out. He's freaking the fuck out. I think it scares him because of the mask that I have. I'm playing a dangerous game. A rain world game. Maybe we can go. Do I want to? No, I don't want to. Because he's kind of coming back down like he means business. And I don't. Ah! They're like, but they're going down there. Where did he go? He went into my fucking room. What a dickhead. Alright, let's sleep. Let's fucking sleep. Please and thank you. I've had enough of this. I've had enough! He tried it. He tried it. But will it be there when I wake up? I hope not. Ooh. The Saint. What? Wait. Well, how come it was the Nomad and then it was the Saint? And can I check? Is that something I can check? How can I? I guess we can't. Well, that's gonna be it for this episode. That was a lot. I think we progressed a good amount. We traveled a lot. Interestingly, I don't know. I feel pretty proud of myself. Very proud of myself indeed. How do I exit this game? That's how you exit this game. Anyway, that was really fun actually. I really like the Shaded Citadel. I don't know like what's up with the Darkness and Despair, but I kind of dig it, and I really dig the music. Anyway, we'll keep exploring later. I just gotta do things. Anyway, the video ends when I clap.